Hey gang, James Harnsberger here, and now we are at update number 6. We're just hours away from turning it on, making available all of the resources and the tools, lots of good videos, our new podcast. Look, the Wealth by Design is really a concept and a principle that allows you to take a very important step, no matter what level you're at financially, in designing the kind of financial life you truly desire. And whether you want to figure out how do you get debt free, how do you build retirement, all of these different questions that we face challenges with and get confused about, we're going to make that very simple and actually take you through a process and show you exactly how it works. A lot of the interviews that we're doing are people going through the program. They've been through some of the other programs and they're really making great progress. We want to share this message with as many people as possible and let you know that you can design the kind of financial life you truly desire. So join us. Go to our page, jamesharnsberger.com. Put in your email. Get on our notification list. When we turn this on, you're going to get 100% access for free, and we want to share all of this information with you. I will see you on the flip side.